Space 100x zoom, and an additional screen in the main camera unit. Huawei Mate 40 Pro poses on new renderings. The use of the second screen allows you to get rid of the front camera and all sorts of cutouts. Flagship smartphones, Huawei Mate 40 line will be released in the fall, but now on the network, there are various possible options for their design. One of these demonstrates the Mate 40 Pro with a non-standard solution of the main camera next to the block of 5 lenses. An additional screen is installed, or is it more accurate to say? Of course, it is not at all a fact that we will see such a solution in the real Mate 40 Pro, but there is some sense in it. Firstly, such a small display is convenient to use for displaying notifications, which will positively affect the battery life of the smartphone. Secondly, since when self-portraiting, the user can see himself on a small screen, there is no need for a front camera, and therefore you can do without any embedded modules and cutouts. And the quality of the photo from the main camera will be obviously be better. So the idea is good, but again, it is possible that this is just a fantasy of the author of the renderings. But with the screen bent to the side walls can be expected with almost 100% probability, like a decent 100x zoom. The latter is easily implemented due to tenfold optical and software processing for the missing part. According to the latest rumors and leaks, the new upcoming flagship smartphones, Huawei Mate 40 and Mate 40 Pro, may be the first devices of the company on its own operating system Harmony OS. The new smartphones will be released this fall, and it is thanks to a completely new operating system for this segment that is of interest. Other phone specifications, features, and exact price of these smartphones are not officially disclosed. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.